What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be testing out a film screen protector kit for the Galaxy S23 Ultra made by Torras. Now this screen protector does work with the in-display fingerprint sensor, and as well as testing out the fingerprint sensor, we will be trying out the S Pen as well. And if you guys want to pick this up yourself, I will be putting product links in this video's description, and if you guys like me and you like what I'm doing, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products and do reviews to you guys. So let's go and test it out. So here we have our installation guide, 2 film screen protectors, a squeegee, our rear tempered glass protectors for the cameras, an installation guide, and 2 installation packets. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to clean off your screen thoroughly, then dry it off. Then you're going to take your guide, make sure where it says top on the guide, you're going to put the phone with your camera up towards this way. So we'll drop our phone into the guide here. And then you can press it in place with your cloth. Then remove any dust particles with your dust sticker. Then once your phone is clean, you're going to take one of your screen protectors. We're going to peel off the number 1 on the bottom here. Then we're going to flip it over and make sure you have the screen protector in this orientation, and this little cutout goes towards the camera on the guide. So we'll peel off that underside just like this. And then we'll place the holes over the posts of the guide. Make sure the screen protector does not touch your phone screen. Alright, so the screen protector is in place. Then take your squeegee. We're going to put it down on one end of the screen protector. And then press it all the way up towards the other side. Once you get to the one side, keep holding down on the screen protector with your squeegee and lift up from the posts, just like that. You can squeegee out the sides, making sure there's no bubbles. Then once you've squeegeed out all the bubbles, just peel up from one side, making sure you don't take the screen protector with it. Then we'll take the phone out of the guide. Then you're going to take your squeegee and we're going to squeegee down on the sides here. Then you can take your little wipe again and just kind of go over the sides one more time just to make sure that they're down. Do the same thing for the other side. Alright, so let's take a look. Installation was easy. I only see one very slight bubble on the side here, but that will probably go away within a couple days. Other than that, looks like a beautiful installation. It looks like the edges are staying down. As far as touch goes, it does have a very slight resistance, but it is nice and smooth. There is also a cutout for your camera, so you don't have to worry about your selfies. As far as fingerprints goes, it does pick up a little bit of fingerprints, but you can very easily just wipe those away. No problems there. Now it does look like it doesn't come all the way to the bottom of the phone or the top, and on the sides it does leave a slight edge around the phone too. So it should be case friendly, but we will be putting this in a case to test that out as well. So this phone screen does look really nice. Oh, we got an update. So the phone screen does look really nice. As far as touch goes, touch working very nice and smooth, crystal clear. So now let's re-register our fingerprints. Alright, so fingerprints went in really easy. Let's test them out. No problems there. Very nice. So fingerprint sensors are working just fine. Now let's test out our S Pen. There is a slight resistance when using the S Pen, but I don't think that's bad at all. I think it makes it a little easier to precisely write or maybe even draw. S Pen working fine. Let's put it back in and we'll take a look at the screen. Screen looks perfect. I don't see any swirl marks from the S Pen at all. The screen is absolutely still flawless, so that's definitely a plus. All right, so let's put it in a case here. Here I have a mouse case. Let's clean it up a bit. All right, so there it is in the case. It looks like it just doesn't touch the bottom of the case, as well as on the sides and on the top. So it almost comes right up to the edge. It should be case friendly, but the only way for you to tell is for you to put this on your phone and then put your phone in the case, because unfortunately not all cases are the same, but it should be case friendly. I don't see any peeling up or anything like that in the edges, anywhere on the sides. It seems to fit just perfect, at least with this mouse case. All right, so we know the screen protector works well. Now let's flip it over and put on our tempered glass camera protectors. So again, before we put the protectors on, you want to thoroughly clean off the lenses as well as around the lenses, and then we'll dry that off. So now you're going to take your camera protectors, make sure that the top signifier of the protectors goes towards the top of your phone. Simply hold it on the sides, peel off the back. Then you're going to place the protector over the camera lenses, just like this. And then just simply press everything into place. Then all you need to do is gently peel up on the screen protector insert. As you can see, all the lenses are out, and now they're covering the lenses on the camera. Then you can take your wipe again and just kind of press those down into place just one more time. Make sure they're down really well. And there you go. Looks just like they came with the phone. And as you can see, it doesn't hardly add anything extra to the camera lenses either. So now let's take a couple pictures from the rear camera and we'll see if those lenses have any effect on them. So as far as I can tell, all the pictures seem to be super clear. Look at how clear that is. There's on my keyboard, super clear. There's a couple shots of me. Still looks really nice. I don't see any issues whatsoever. And in case you're wondering if you can still use the case with this, I'll put this back into my mouse case again. We'll take a look at the back, and as you can see, it fits perfectly. But again, you're going to have to test this out with your case because not all cases are the same, but I can tell you that it looks like it works perfectly with this mouse case. And even after taking the phone out of the case and putting it back in, I still don't see any issues in any of the corners or the screen protector lifting anywhere, so that's definitely a plus too. So if you're looking for a screen protector that's going to protect your screen from scratches, still work with the in-display fingerprint sensor, works great with the S Pen, super easy to install, I would definitely recommend the Torras film screen protector. So again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products that do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Later.